Hello, my name is Asaye, and this is a tutorial about the Database Explorer API which I developed and I released it in my GitHub account. Here is the link to my GitHub account: https://github.com/Asaye. This API is used in order to access and manipulate data from database by using simple user interactive web components. By using buttons, by using text fields, you can access and manipulate data from your database without writing any SQL commands or no SQL statements. Before going into this tutorial, first you need to download Node.js and install it in your computer. Here is the official website to download the latest version of Node.js. Optionally, if you want to use MongoDB as a database other than MySQL or PostgreSQL, you need to also install MongoDB. Here is the official link to download and install MongoDB. This is a guideline. In order to get the full feature of this API, you need to download MongoDB version 4.0 and above. So go to this GitHub account, scroll a little bit down, and there you see this repository, Database Explorer with Node.js plus MongoDB. So click on this repository and you'll see this green button. This green button allows you to clone or download the contents of this API. So click on this green button and click on download zip, and you'll be prompted to save the file or to open with WinZip. You can choose whichever option you want. I already downloaded and saved it, so I don't need to download it again. So the downloaded file is put in this node folder, but you can put it anywhere you want. So this is a downloaded file, extracted, and the extracted file is this one. And open this extracted folder and you will see all these files except this node modules folder. This node modules folder contains the dependencies. For this API to run smoothly, you need to install some dependencies. All those dependencies will be within this node modules folder. So what you have to do to install all these dependencies is open a command prompt or any terminal for your PC and change the directory to this folder. That means the directory need to be changed to this folder. So copy this path to this directory and change directory and paste it here and click enter. Now the directory, the path to directory is changed to this folder. And in order to install those dependencies, what you have to do is npm space install. So write this and enter. So when you click enter, all the dependencies will be installed. So for this tutorial, since I already downloaded the dependencies, I already have the node modules folder, so I don't need it to download again. So once you downloaded this, what you have to do is start the application. To start the application, what you have to do is node app. While the path to directory is changed to this particular folder, write node app and click on enter. Now the application is running. This application is running on localhost. That means the host which hosts this application is this PC, and it runs on port number 3000. If you want to change that, that means if you want to host this application on a different host, what you have to do is go to this static folder. There you see JavaScript. There you have custom. Then open this main.js file with any editor. I'll use Notepad++. there you have on line 5 of this file, you have base address. It is written in Angular JavaScript. That means the front end is written in Angular JavaScript. So you have this constant. Base address is set to http :/localhost :3000. So if you want to host this application on a different host, what you have to do is enter the IP address instead of this localhost. If you want to host this application, or if this application need to listen to other port number, what you have to do is change this 3000 to any port number. So close this one after making the changes, and now we have already started the application. Open a new tab and write on the address bar http :/, since we are using localhost as a host address, localhost : since this application listens to port number 3000, write 3000, then click / and click enter. There you see this application. That means the Database Explorer, which helps you to explore your database with simple web components. So you can select different databases, MySQL, Oracle, which is not yet developed but which will be released in the future versions. You can use PostgreSQL. You have to enter the username and the password for your database, and you can use Remember Me and login settings. So this is about the installation, a tutorial about the installation. If you want further tutorial, what you have to do is go to YouTube and write Database Explorer logging in. Click, when you search with this statement, you will get this content, this YouTube content. So this YouTube content, which is authored by Asahi Yamada, which is a tutorial on API, which enables you to explore your database with user interactive web components. So start there you see the logging in process. The logging in process, the tutorial about logging in process is this one, so you can refer this tutorial about the logging in and about the other database operations. So this is a tutorial about the Database Explorer API, the first tutorial. Starting from the second tutorial, you can refer to the YouTube link which I just showed you. Thank you very much.